All right, what's up, YouTube channel? This is pre-open house day, and I'm regretting this decision, but 30 days ago, I said, we should have an open house. Bryce is looking at me, and I'm like, yeah, let's do it. He's like, all right, when do you want to do it? So we scheduled for July 31st. Knowing that we had scheduled for the yarn building drywall to be done, they said it would take 3 days, and they were starting it on July 1st. And today's July 31st, and as you might imagine, it's not even close. But I made that decision 30 days ago, say, you know what, we're never going to be done with anything, so we might as well just have a party. Let's do it now, and we'll show people where we're at, both with my house, with cars. The E36 is torn apart, so I'm going to show you, all the prep work, all the stuff we're doing. And we've got some really freaking cool stuff that I'm selling here that it's probably gone by the time you're watching this video. So don't get too excited. If anything doesn't sell at the open house, then I'll probably put it up in the Maddie's trinkets and treasures section of the website. But don't count on that. So save yourself the email, because we probably won't have any of this stuff. But the trick has been the last month, since they started the drywall, everybody's just been kind of temporarily working on their stools wherever we can. And then while I've been tearing apart cars and shooting videos and doing what we normally do, we've been in this sort of temporary limbo while they're, finishing the building next door. But as you might imagine, of all this product testing and trial and error and all that stuff, I end up with a lot of extra stuff. And I try to sell off a little bit at a time, but we do have the attic here, and I have the attic next door, and so I tend to stockpile stuff. And so I've got a bunch of line light testers that I thought were going to be the under cabinet lighting solution. I've got my old home theater speakers, but since I sold the house, those I need to fire deal all this stuff. These are all in the store, but I've opened them all. So I've opened them all and taken photos of them, so I'm selling those at, pretty significant discounts. Those are the rear speakers. I'm moving out of IK sprayers. I don't like those things. They're not any good. I've got an open box somebody bought and returned because it's only AirPlay 1, not AirPlay 2. I've got a Karcher. We're going to take one piece out so you can see. Got a lot of different Milwaukee discontinued tools. Like, for instance, this now, they have a high-speed 1/4 inch. We've got a bunch of, Rupes stuff and discontinued and trial, Coach Chemi stuff. We've moved to Green Star, and so I've got McGuire's APC. I've got a broken, but still functional, just has like a cracked, and it just needs a little TLC 1622, some, a bunch of Civic parts left over, and, general detailing supplies, things like that. Got some wheels for the M3. So the 36 M3, a couple of compressors that were my testers. So all this stuff is going to be next door. This is going to be cleaned out, and I think what we're going to do is we're probably just going to open up this area. So I'm probably going to open up both doors, and this will turn the air conditioning off, even though it's going to be really, really freaking hot. And then this will just be, cleaned up and open, and we'll get this table out of here, and the GT4 is going to go next door. And so people will be able to come in here and check out this before we tear it apart. And then next door, I think what I'm going to do is we're probably going to keep that closed and air conditioned. So all the employees will be parked elsewhere. So all of us will go park, somewhere else besides my cars. It'll be, in the yarn building or in the other building. So we'll park all these guys, down the street, and they'll walk over. But in here, we're going to have set up all of this area here. We're going to have all of that, tester stuff, all the fire deal stuff. But people will be able to come in and buy, whatever we have in stock, which is not as much as normal. They'll be able to come in and buy whatever you might be interested in. And so this is going to stay closed off and air conditioned, and that's how we're going to set that up. So we've got a guy coming to cut this lot. We got permission from the guy next door to park some trucks and things like that on there. Obviously we'll fill up this parking area with 20 or 30 cars we can fit here. And then I went and got permission from all these businesses behind us where we can probably fit another 100 cars. And then down the street, we've got some room for people to park as well. I mean, 20 people will show up, but I think we'll probably have a couple hundred throughout the day that come by. Again, we're doing this from 10 to 2. So the E46 is here, and it's going to be parked in the yarn building, so I'll have to wipe that down. We'll do a waterless wash on it tomorrow morning probably, or tonight if I can get it in the building. And so the painters are in here painting, and so they'll likely be out of here later this evening. But the drywall's done. They're going to start rolling this out. They're starting to prime it. Just kind of cleaning up the floors. I'm about to walk all over it. So I'm going to take my compressor, we're going to put that in place, we're going to put the tire changer and switch tracks, clean that up. So we're going to park some cars in here. And then in this area, I'm hoping to at least start setting up some of the desks and stuff. But we don't have any doors, so we're kind of stuck there. But you can see how nice this is coming together. Harbor Gray, White Dove, they're rolling out our second coat. They'll be out of here in a couple of hours. So then we're going to at least get this mountain kind of repositioned. I don't think we're going to get this taken apart, but we might just leave this here, just straighten it out. We'll get some desks and stuff set up in there so people can kind of get an idea of what it's going to look like. But anyway, get to come and see the progress. Man, it looks so good compared to what it looked like at the beginning of this week. So all this is all set up. Kalos is coming. This AC unit, the condensate line was leaking all over the place, so they're coming to fix that. But nothing better than white trim and flat gray walls. That's my favorite. So ADT is getting us all worked out here as well. And then we got our awning put on yesterday, so this is no longer going to be leaking water in. So the awning is all set up. Okay, the team has been mobilized, kind of getting this set up, cleaned up. The guys next door are starting to tear things apart. Old crazy mad scientist Scott Ailes got us a bush hog out here somehow in like an hour. And so the guys out here making a parking lot for us. They also got permission to use that lot. Look at the E46. And over here, painting is flying. So Kalos is here getting the drippy air conditioning fixed. And do something with those pallets. I think we saved those pallets for the ramps that we sell. So it's about 1:45. I got to go do the podcast. Bryce is setting me up for that. Chris is getting ready for the podcast. And you can see this is all cleaned up, almost cleaned out. So we're going to take all this stuff apart in a few. You can see that paint is flying. Let's go check out the guys over here. I'm going to dust everything off. At least set up some desks. This is exciting. I'm kind of glad I did this open house, otherwise it'd be another month before we got in here. So you can see, we got this clean into there. So they're going to clean all this, set this all up. And paint in here is pretty darn close to being done. Is this look like an OG place now? All the paint. And we're going to take apart this mountain. This mountain's about to come apart. So once I come back from the podcast, these guys will have this thing pretty well cleaned up in here. Dusted off. Getting the creatives to do manual labor is always a fun task. This is the commercial grade version of the desk. That's why it's so heavy.
OG movers.
Oh,
Fired!
some touch-up paint. And run around with the roller. And then we're gonna bring all this stuff over here and get set up to I'm gonna take the tape machines off the table and stuff here and get this set up. So we're gonna shut down shipping here in about 30 minutes or so. Figures we're selling a bunch of crap today, aren't we? Andrew and Justin are getting us all set up here with the Gamma Seals. Just arrived from the card. So this place will be in about 3 hours. Will look completely different. So we're setting up for the open house, right? Getting all our stuff for sale, all our redundancy and discontinued and extra. You know, like we had hides, but you know the bottles are damaged in shipping, and we've got all Rupes pads that are discontinued, and these were foam cannons that were on my display shelf, and all this stuff from the Civic, leftover stuff, and some Milwaukee discontinued items, and some demo air compressors. All kinds of cool stuff. Doesn't look as impressive over here.
Oh, what happened?
Alright, we are starting to come together with some semblance of normalcy. Our air conditioner's fixed. This is the little pump. It's re-pumping now, the condensate drain. And this at least looks somewhat presentable. Really, we're showing everybody the idea, the concept of what this is going to be like. And then the garage will be painted. I can bring the cars in and save this afternoon. All right, so in 10 minutes, we got this place completely put back together. Looks freaking great. I'm going to do a couple spot treatment cleanings with the shop vac, and we're good to go. So now we just have to go descend upon the mountain on the other side. I can't wait. I can't wait. This is like the start of us moving in next door. And so this car will be out of here, and this will feel a whole lot more open so people can come play with stuff. I don't know if I'll open that door up. I should probably turn the AC off now tonight. That way it's not all super wet and sweaty in here, Because when you open the door after it's been cold.
Yeah, it's gonna be
So we'll let it slowly cool down, or warm up, I should say. Looks good. We'll do a couple little touch-ups to the walls and we're good to go. All right, we have at least some semblance of sharing what this place is going to look like. In that we got rid of the mountain. It took us 20, 30 minutes. Swept up the floors a little bit. We might try to get this thing out of here. And we're looking a lot better. All right, bros. We got it staged the way we're going to stage it. Just at least somewhat cleaned up so people can catch the vision. The walls are done. I'm going to come up with some cool artwork and stuff to put in here. So now we got to work on this side, moving stuff around. All right, I'm doing another quick mop. So I blew this out with the leaf blower. Just kind of put things into position, give me some room to put some cars in here. And although this isn't going to totally clean it, just do another little superficial mop. I'm the last man standing with a gimp leg. So just doing some old school mopping. I haven't used a mop like this since 2001, 1990.
Never mind.
1990 something.
probably say my birth year.
Well, at least now I have uniform dirt. Before I had lots of ununiform dirt. Now it all looks equally dirty. It's good. I mopped the whole inside. I'm gonna pull the E46 in and the Tesla in, and then I'll have to get a ride home. I'm gonna leave the E92 at my house. That's the plan. So I'm gonna come over here early tomorrow. I might come back here tonight. Waterless wash the cars. and do that. I do need to edit this video. We'll see. All right, got the cars in here. I got to do some jockeying. I'm gonna do a quick waterless wash on the Tesla. I do shift the E3046 to the right a little bit. Get a waterless wash on that, and I'll kind of cock this one a little bit more. I'll probably put the Tesla a little bit, tuck it a little bit closer to the corner, and I can get the GT3 in right here. It'll be perfect.
Is your shelves?
All right, so we are all set up. Everything's clean, floor's clean. We got stuff to sell. All of our extras. All this is good. Let's see if Chris cleaned up his office. Yeah, he kind of did. Still has a few little weird tchotchkes laying around. Oh my gosh. I'm getting him a filing cabinet. So this side's ready to go for tomorrow. So come buy some of this stuff. I'm gonna go home tonight and edit this. And then got some shelves to sell. Yeah, this looks good. And then next door is all cleaned up as well. I'll probably do some of those pallets tomorrow. Hopefully someone will come and snag those tonight. They usually do. So here, looks nice. Look at that. Hasn't looked like this in a while. Everything's off the shelves, off the cabinets. All my E36 parts are nice and organized. The E36 is chilling. The Viper chairs. House desk is all cleaned up. So that's a wrap. I hope to see you tomorrow. If not, maybe someday we'll meet. Anyway, that's the prep vlog for open house. Really wasn't that bad. I think it's what time is it? 6:20. So I'm heading home at 6:20. I'm gonna do a few tweaks to the home garage. Just put away some of my speakers that I've been playing with. And what else I need to do? That's it. I'm gonna come early tomorrow, waterless wash those cars, run home, take a shower, come back, organize, good to go. See you tomorrow. Later.